Tired of damaging your walls with nails and screws? Let me show you a smarter way to hang things. Introducing Command Small Wire Toggle Hooks from Amazon. Reason number 1, damage-free wall hanging every single time. No more unsightly holes or chipped paint on your walls. Perfect for renters who want their deposit back. Reason 2, no tools or drilling required, ever. Forget the toolbox, just peel, stick, and hang. It's so easy, anyone can do it in seconds. Great for office workers who can't drill into office walls. Reason 3, instantly organize and store your essentials. Hang keys, cables, or kitchen utensils with zero hassle. Each pack comes with 16 hooks and 24 adhesive strips. You get plenty to organize every room in your home. Each hook holds up to half a pound securely. Perfect for lightweight items you use every day. No more cluttered counters or lost accessories. The adhesive strips are strong yet easy to remove. When you're ready to move, just pull the tab. No sticky residue, no wall repairs needed. Ideal for home organizers who love a tidy space. Great for renters who want flexibility and convenience. Office workers can keep their workspace neat and clean. Use them in the kitchen for utensils or oven mitts. Hang up your headphones or charging cables in your office. Keep your bathroom organized with hooks for brushes or towels. Decorate your living room without damaging the paint. No more worrying about losing your keys at the door. Perfect for kids' rooms to hang up small bags or hats. The wire design blends in with any decor style. They're discreet, functional, and look great anywhere. Installation is as easy as peel, stick, and hang. No hammer, no drill, no mess, just instant organization. Save time and effort with these simple hooks. Change your mind? Remove and reposition with zero damage. Great for seasonal decorations or temporary displays. Use them during holidays, then remove when you're done. No more patching holes or repainting walls. Perfect for apartments, dorms, and rental homes. Even works on painted, tiled, or metal surfaces. Just make sure the surface is clean and dry before applying. Each strip holds strong, so your items stay put. No more falling hooks or broken adhesives. Organize your entryway, closet, or workspace easily. Keep your essentials within reach and off the floor. Declutter your life with these versatile wire hooks. They're reusable. Just grab extra strips when needed. Save money by avoiding wall repairs and paint touch-ups. No more stress about damaging your landlord's property. Transform any space in minutes, not hours. Perfect for busy people who want quick solutions. You don't need to be handy to use these hooks. Anyone can create a more organized home or office. Great for hanging lightweight art, photos, or reminders. Make your space more functional and visually appealing. No more cluttered desks or messy countertops. Keep your daily essentials right where you need them. No more searching for lost items or tangled cords. Ready to upgrade your organization game? Grab your Command Small Wire Toggle Hooks now on Amazon. Check the link in the description to order yours today. Don't wait. These hooks are a game changer for any space. Join thousands of happy customers who love easy organization. Experience the freedom of damage-free decorating and storage. Say goodbye to holes, tools, and wall repairs forever. Transform your home, office, or dorm in minutes. Organize smarter, not harder, with Command hooks. Click the link, add to cart, and get organized today. Don't miss out. Make your space work for you. Thanks for watching. Follow for more smart product tips. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.